War Day number 1001. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, November the 20th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are Three Stars Sudoku, Four Stars Sudoku, and the binary. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star in Dutch take or cipher block in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening. News of the day, well, I've told you, War Day number 1001. More than 1,000 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Yes, still going on, the war. Alright, the first one, the 3 stars Sudoku. And this one will be number 9622. Yeah. 9622. Let me move this. We've not a lot of space here. Okay, 9622. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one 26. Should be a 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is it a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. Yeah. There's a lot of ones. So we need a 1 here. Okay. Okay. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below. The only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 4, 4, need an 8 there. Need a 9 here. Come on. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. I'm thinking. Need a 3, okay. Need a 9 here. Need a 7 there. How about 6 here. Need a 1 there. I'm stuck. Need a 6 here. Yeah. Need a 6 here. 6. Need a... I'm thinking too long, yeah. 8. Need 8. No. Need no 7. Need 7 here. Well, I'm stuck. Cannot believe this. 4. 4, no 4. Okay. Need a 1 here. Okay, in the middle row, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, or there. We see another 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 in the second column, no 1 there. The only place left with 1 should be there. Need a 1 here. Okay, need a 1 there, need a 1 here. In this column, last column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing, no, 6 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in this second row, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in this third row, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. And here can be 1, we have a 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. So the only place left for 1 in the last column should be here. Okay, 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for 3 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 1. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place level 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. We have a pair, the 4 and the 9 in this column. The 4 and the 9 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this column. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes there. And we have pair. The 2 and the 7 in the third row. The 2 and the 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. 2 in this column. 2 numbers left in the last column. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2, 2, okay. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then, let me see. How about the 8 in this column, third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row, so the row between. The only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Then, let me see. 7 here. 7 there. How about need a 4 here, need a 4 there. Okay. In this third column, we need a 4. These 2 boxes can be 4 because we have 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here can be 4, we have 4 in this row, no 4 there. So the only 2 places left for the 4 in the third column are these 2 boxes. Therefore, we have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. The only place left for 4, a shoe there. 3 and 9. The 4 here. Come on. I want this 6. Need a 9 here. Let me think. 2, 2. I want the 3. 4, 2, 7, 1, 8, 2, 4. No. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Oh. Alright. 9, 9. 3. 3 in this last row. 3 in a row above. So that in that row, only 2 places left. 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. Well. 3, 9. Need a 5 and a 6 here. 6. 6 should be here. In this big square, we need a 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 3 and a 9, 3, 9, and need a 5. Okay. Well. 6, 5, need a 9 there. Come on. I'm waiting for the 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, and the 9. I need a 9 here or there. Yeah, in the middle column, we need a 9. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in the middle column should be there. 9, 9. Okay. Need a 9 here. 2, 9, 9. Need a 9 here. Okay. So the 4 and the 5 are left in the middle column. 4 and the 5. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. So the 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. So the other 2 numbers should be the 5 and the 6. Here. Alright. Here. 2 in this row. 2 in the last row. So the row between. The only place level 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and all the 2's are used. I can see. These are number 3, number 2. Alright, 1 number left in this row. I believe the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Alright. Then 9 and a 5. Then. 6 and a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these. 3 box, 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 7. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 2 numbers left in the middle row. 4 numbers, 1, the 2. 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 3 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 and a 9, we have 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8. 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 6 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 6 and a 5, we have a 6 now in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there, finishes 60 minutes. Well, yeah, 2 stars. This one I need to think a lot, but we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.